What if you could get multiple chefs under one roof? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, bringing you downtown Overland Park, Strang Hall, where we have international foods from all around the world at multiple restaurants, all under one roof for you to enjoy either inside dining or outside. Have more questions on downtown Overland Park, or just curious for more of our Kansas City favorites? Make sure you subscribe today. And if you're interested in making downtown Overland Park where you call home, feel free to comment below or contact us today for a consultation on options in downtown Overland Park, as well as other wonderful Kansas City neighborhoods.